Are you moving to Nashville and looking for new construction? Today we're in Green Hills looking at a brand new beautiful home, very close to Green Hills, very close to downtown. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. Okay, so today I'm in Green Hills. We are in the heart of Green Hills. You could probably walk to the Green Hills Mall from here, and I've done a video on this whole area if you want to check that out. But today we're at a home here, and it's an HPR, which is a horizontal property regime. If you can see here, there's two homes here that were built on one lot. So you'll notice that the inside, it's a little narrow, but it just goes far back. And so that's just something to keep an eye on, and a lot of builders do that in this area just to be able to build two homes on one lot. That's what we're looking at here. And if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant, and we're out here every single week looking at properties for you. So hit that subscribe button if you like our content, the notification bell, all that fun stuff, so you can stay ahead of what's happening here. All right, so this one is 4 beds, 3 full baths, 2 half baths, over 4,200 square feet. So you're only on, you're on 0.34 of an acre, but that includes that one over there. So not a huge lot, but not everyone needs a huge lot. This one is a very well-built house. You have a nice screened-in porch in the back, small yard to take care of, which is nice. Be on the lookout for a secret pantry in the kitchen, and then the refrigerator, it nicely blends with the cabinets as well. And but yeah, you're gonna love this house. A lot of the price that you're paying for this house is the location. If you want to be in the city, this is a good spot for you. Again, you're closer to your neighbors in some other houses that we've looked at, but that's what some people like. Some people don't want to be on a big acre lot by themselves. And before we go in, we're about to go check out the inside. I'm going to put my number here. Click that, save that number, save that email address, and book your one-on-one consultation with me and my team. And we would love to help you make a transition here to Nashville from wherever you are in the world. Let's go check this house out. What'd you think about that incredible home in Green Hills, Nashville, Tennessee? I hope you enjoyed it. Again, as much as we love creating these videos, we love even more helping people find their next homes here in Nashville. You know, I moved here in 1998, and so this city has changed so much since then. You would not even recognize it from when I moved here. And so we've seen how the city has changed, what's happening with the real estate market, and we come out here every single week to stay informed and to help you make a better decision when it comes time to purchase a home here. So I hope this video helps. Other than watching this video, I would love even more for you to reach out and schedule a consultation with me and let us help you make a smooth transition here in Nashville, Tennessee. I will see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.